And today is the 21st February 2021, and we are at our Sunday Fun Aging Call. And today's topic is projection and expectations. Please lower your barriers. Please leave all interesting to me to ask you, leave them all out. Please bring them in to ask questions today. And hopefully by the evening, after the class, you will leave them wherever you are and walk away from them. But as my customary start of the call is always with all projections and all expectations, all judgments, conclusions, predictions, rejections, separations. Please try to keep them aside for a while, for at least this 1 hour, and ask questions beyond you have ever imagined. So let's see where this call takes us. So what all do you have?
Good morning, Kanwal.
Good morning, Neera. Good morning.
Kanwal, you're looking fabulous. I love what you're wearing. You're lovely. You're looking.
Thank you. So my question to you to start with is, what is the purpose of projections and expectations? Do you ever even think that there is any purpose? And what makes us like judgments? Where did we learn it from? Who did we learn it from? Where did we pick up from? Are they even ours? So anybody can go into that and let me know before we go forward.
I think this reality, Kanwal, functions from judgments and projections and expectations. And we've picked this up from lifetimes and lifetimes, and we bring it to this lifetime too. And now we know, we have the perceive, know, be, receive tool, and we are infinite, not tool. And we can do something about it with you, with us.
Really, actually, once you recognize that we are doing something that's affecting the whole of planet, and then you can think of what else is possible when we are not functioning from them. Before that,
Yes.
before coming to Access, it was so automatic. I wasn't aware I was doing judgment. That was the right thing to do. That was the thing I'd seen people to do. That was the thing I was supposed to do. That was the thing, the universe revolved around it. Reactions.
Yes.
Everybody I see around working from reaction. And reactions don't create. They destroy everything. And why weren't we told that? Nobody knew. They themselves didn't know. They tell us. Yes. Go ahead.
Yeah, Kanwal, and this reality function from that. If you want to change something, you judge it. By judging it, as it was said, to change. Like, for example, if you put on weight, you look at yourself in the mirror and you keep on judging your body all the time, as it was said, that is going to change your body.
Exactly. Exactly.
Just yes.
Fucked up society.
Yes.
We always function from reaction rather than functioning from what we can choose.
Yes.
If we chose and asked our body what to eat, what to do next, that would create magic. But we are not told that. We're told from the day one, aap aise nahi karoge. I think the no is the first word that we hear from our parents. So what actions could we take here in every now moment that could create something greater, something bigger, beyond our imagination? Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, honor, short, boys and beyond? And actually, when we are in that projection and expectation mode, we truly have that point of view. And what does that point of view does those points of views do? They eat you up from inside. And we destroy ourselves. We don't, I mean, others, if they receive it, fine. If they don't, they are out of it. We are the ones who are eating ourselves up. Those are termites. And we don't even realize it. Hey guys, can you hear me or I'm gone?
Yes, yes.
No, we can hear you.
Hi, Ashita.
Hi, good morning. How are you all?
Good. Lovely to see you.
Same here. You're looking damn hot, sexy.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
And
Budiya
you know one
sexy.
thing. Love you, Budia.
Love you.
And you know, you don't need all these things. Matlab, you yourself is like damn hot.
क्या बात, क्या बात.
नहीं नहीं, पर ये
पर
पहनने के बाद और
मैं
अच्छा
ज्वेलर हूँ ना, मेरे को अपनी ज्वेलरी दिखानी भी तो है ना.
नहीं, actually,
No, no,
सुनिए
Kaval, it
ना.
looks nice on you. Keep wearing your jewelry. I like
Listen
it.
to me,
Okay.
what I'm saying. What I'm saying. I'm not saying don't wear it. बोलते हैं ना, ये पहनने से आपकी शोभा बढ़ती है, ये पहनने से इस ज्वेलरी की शोभा बढ़ती है.
क्या बात है गुड़िया, तू मेरा दिन बना देता.
Kaval, Renu is waiting. Renu is waiting.
I
Yes.
clicked her in. I can't.
I'm there. Kaval, I'm there.
Yeah,
Good morning.
अच्छा, who was there on Dane's call yesterday?
Oh, I missed it, yaar.
Oh, I was there. It was amazing. Kaval, it was amazing.
मैंने को याद दिला दिया
You were
कर यार.
there, Usha? Usha, you were there?
Yes,
अरे बहुत अच्छा
I
था,
was
बहुत
there.
but you will get the recording.
अच्छा.
Yeah,
we'll get the recording. Yeah. I think today on recording शायद डाल भी दिया होगा.
हाँ, डाल
नहीं,
दिया.
अभी तक तो नहीं डाला है.
चलो, we'll see that.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone open screen, can see.
Yes, ask questions and open your faces and show us your faces.
Yes.
So, and have you noticed the energy of you projecting and expecting something from somebody, or they projecting something or something from you is the same. The contraction is the same. Intensity might vary, but the energy is the same. Energy is of that drama. And if you're willing to be aware, if you're willing to be present, you can choose something different. You can see through it. Oh my God, this drama, do I like it? Can I have fun with it? Or can I be an allowance of it? Or can I just not be part of it? You'll have to mute yourself, darling Harshita.
Sorry.
Thank you. Like Harshita's noise was coming, right? And earlier, what would I have done? I wouldn't have had the guts to tell her, "Ki, please mute yourself." I would have gone on in my head. She doesn't have a sense. She wouldn't know. Why wouldn't she do it? She's in the call. She's blah, 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 blah. She doesn't even know it. I'm projecting it on her. I'm expecting her to be aware on her own. It took me 1 second to ask her to mute and got out of it, got out of the story, the drama. Harshita, sorry I took your example because that is the one which came to me immediately.
That's okay.
No, it's
Yes, I want to
fabulous.
share something.
Yeah, it's fabulous. Yeah, lovely. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to share something.
Yes, please go
Yeah.
ahead.
Yeah. So can you please look at this mehendi? I was so excited, super
वाह,
excited.
क्या बात है.
actually.
दूसरी बार शादी हो रही है क्या?
Yes, yes, I have bought so many things, lehenga for myself. Actually, it is my brother's marriage, but suddenly,
Wow.
yesterday night, my father-in-law was not feeling well, and today morning he was feeling breathing issues, and we have admitted him.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so just
We will
thought
do
to
one,
share
two,
with
we will
you.
do 1, 2, 3 for him after the class.
Yes,
I
thank you
mean,
so much. Thank
you're
you, thank
welcome.
you. Yes.
So, guys, questions? Otherwise, bye bye. Otherwise, we are done.
Yeah. Hi, Kamal. I have a question, Kamal.
Yes, please go ahead.
So, Kamal, projections are always, is it so like the projections are for the future? Like, say, जैसे अभी you said ना मैं सोचती रहती. So the 10 seconds have passed, the 10 seconds. So it's like in the future. We project something in the future. Do we project something in the past also? Do we have projections of the past also? That's
Don't
what I
we?
wanted to ask.
Don't we? Don't you?
Like when we think about the past, when we think about the past, is it projections? I don't know. I'm not very clear on this.
Uh, okay. Projections or not projections? What is it? What is the energy of it? Is it the energy of projections? What is the aim? What is the point? What is the uh, your reason and justification of knowing that? Does it matter?
For me, it's coming. It's so automatic. It's so automatic. There's something that's so automatic. You can't even perceive the energy of it. I can't perceive the energy because most of the times I catch myself when I look into my thoughts. We have 80,000 thoughts in a day. So most of the time I'm aware of them. Some of them I'm not. And I catch myself being in the past, like Bombay days, my childhood days. And then I bring it to the present and it's okay, this 10 seconds, what do I choose? And I'm not in the past for some purpose or reason, but my thoughts just go. So are those also projections? I'm not so clear about
Okay,
that,
so
Kamal.
thought is a thought. You give it a
Yeah.
name. You give it a name. It's a projection. It's a perception. It's all. And also, we in
Yes.
Access say that please, if you have had a yummy time, if you've had a
Yeah.
yummy sex, if you had a yummy food somewhere,
Yeah.
buy into not buy, collect that energy and
Yeah.
bring. If you want that energy, you can
Yes.
bring it to the now. So
Okay.
are you looking at your past to
Yeah.
blame people, or situations and energies that you would like to bring it to you now, bring it to your now? What
Yeah,
is it?
it's the second one. It's to bring those energies because I've had yummy times,
So
like yummy times mein chala jata ekdam.
then is it projection, or is it I'll have more of that?
Okay. I have more of that. Yeah. So I'm having a yummy time right now also. But
Yeah.
of course, I can have more of that. More of the yummy time now and more of the yummy time in the past.
Yeah,
Okay.
that
Okay.
energy
Got it.
that somebody else was being at that moment,
Yeah.
that food was amazing,
Yeah.
that when I got that lot of money in one
Yeah.
time was amazing. Can I have more of that? If you're going to your past or future or present or anybody else's any situation or any person was being that energy, you only
Yeah.
want to duplicate that energy.
Okay. Okay.
And but
Got
if you go, oh my God, this was it, and now it's not, and then what are you doing? Supposing you're at home and you're waiting for your husband to come, and it's a
Yeah.
Friday, and all the past experiences you had with him on Fridays,
Yeah.
that here and say this Friday is also going to be fucked up. That would be projection.
And conclusion also, like reference points of the past also, right? Yeah.
And they are going to be
Okay.
cranky, and then I'm going to be cranky, then I'm going to say horrible things, and they will say
Yeah.
horrible. he will say a horrible thing, then I'll be mad, and then he'll be mad, and our weekend will go to or Diwali, that Diwali it happened. I was looking forward to it. This anniversary, I was looking forward to it. I was expecting. So all these functions and all these special times for ourselves, we have a lot of projections and expectations.
Yes.
And when those, Gary always says that projections and expectations they're like two different elements.
Okay.
They are two separate elements. If
Okay, but they follow each other. Right?
If you have projections and expectation of someone,
Yeah.
like you project and expect from your husband, from your mother,
Yes.
from your children, then they don't come up to you what you're expecting, right? They might be
Yes.
more or less or in a different way, but you will not be able to see it because you have
Yes.
a fixed point of view that this is what I want from them.
Yes.
So when you don't get it, then you have to, out of necessity, go to separation, judgment, and rejection of them.
Yes.
Or of you. I must have done something wrong. पिछले जन्म में, इस जन्म में मैंने क्या किया?
Yes, absolutely. Cutting
If
another
somebody
part of
doesn't
us
function-
away.
Yeah, if somebody
Yes.
doesn't function according to your perception and expectation, then you
Yeah.
have to separate, judge, and reject them. Or reject you, I'm at fault. They are also at fault, you're also at fault. You're judging them, you're judging yourself. Is that an energy that you would want to live with?
No, not at all. Not at all.
So you want to be aware of those energies.
Yes. Yes.
And when you're aware of where you are, what choices you're making, that's creating that.
Yes.
And choice could be listening to them, not blaming. I'm not talking about choices of blaming you. Maine ye galt kiya. It could be buying into their shit. It could be making them more valuable than you. It could be validating their point of view and invalidating yourself. What you want to be is just an interesting point of view. If people are projecting onto you that you are not efficient, you're greedy, you have too much, you're still not satisfied. And what would we do? We would defend against that, wouldn't we? Nahi, main to ye wo, main to aise nahi hu. What makes we do that? And we put barriers and walls to ourselves and to them. Next time we are more aware and conscious of not to trouble them, not to say something that will trigger them to say the same thing. Gary says, I will trigger them for them to judge me more money in my bank.
Yes.
Why would you leave you? Why would you not choose you in every now moment? What is the fun in that? We always living according to what people want you to live. Where am I?
Thank you, Kamal, for this fabulous, very nice conversation around it. Thank you.
So don't look from the experiences. They've gone, they've finished. Today is new. What energy are you being now? If you didn't have a past story, if you didn't have to blame anybody, if reaction wasn't necessary, where would you be? How would you function? If you committed to your life, would you react? And what, like you said, Neera, we are always told that projection and expectation is creative energy. It's not.
Exactly. Absolutely.
It's not. It's a destructive energy.
Yeah, it makes you, it contracts you. it's so easy to find out when something is contracting you. You know, it's an energy which is not going to, bring expansion in your life, not bring the lightness that you truly are. So true. Yeah.
Judgment also is not a creative energy.
Yes. And so
Judgment.
thankful to Gary and Dane for PES Junior, like for creating projections. I mean, not creating, it's already there, but so beautifully they perceive the whole thing,
There is a beautiful call on projection expectation, PES Juniors. There's a beautiful call. We as facilitators have to have it, buy it, and listen to it. I've listened to it. We've done. There's a book also. Please.
Yeah, book I've read. Yeah. Thank you, Kamal.
In Access, we actually talk about creation from elements of question, choice, possibility, contribution. Judgment and rejection and projection are not there. And why do we do projection and expect? Because we want to prove we are right. Yes, Pammi, Sidana. Hi.
Somebody is there in that cannot admit.
Okay, let me see. Yes, there's so many. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, sorry, guys. 1, 2 more. How did we get so lucky? Usha, where are your questions, darling?
Okay. How to, I mean, we are not projecting and expecting anything, okay, from someone, but how to make our work done with that person.
Energetically, we were talking in our book club yesterday. How about talking to them energetically? Whatever you want to get done, we have these energy pulls. We have where you pick up thoughts all over the world. Hi, Savita. You pick up thoughts from everywhere, right? You're a sponge, Bob. How about sending thoughts to them? Like we were saying yesterday, somebody hasn't paid you. You keep calling, you keep asking them, and they are in reaction mode. You keep expecting them to come and give it to you, and they keep avoiding that. What if you just went into their head energetically and said, "Oh my God, Kamal, I owe you money. I'm so sorry. I haven't been able to do, but this week tomorrow I will just give it to you. I will make something possible for you. I'm sorry, Kamal, sorry." Put these in their head. They will be in that spin till they pay you. I have seen that work. If you want somebody, I want plumber to work, I want electrician to do my job, I just ask questions. I ask a question first and then pick up the phone. And sometimes when the person is avoiding, I'll just ask questions. We don't need to be right. And we think we are so right. We are sure that we are right about the wrong that we are thinking. Wrong in that moment, not there is anything wrong or right. Because we have got that projection expectant, because that's running in our head and we have a solid point of view and we think that I am right, the other person is wrong. Can you think of anything else then? Is there any other choice then? And this right and wrong always gets us into difficulty. Gets us to tears, gets us to yelling, gets us to spoiling our days, our months, our years. What's the fun? And nowhere in our world anybody is talking about choosing or doing what worked. We are never told that. This way, सुना दो उसको, बता दो उसको, कैसे नहीं तू ऐसे सुन के कैसे आ गई? I mean, come on. ये गुंडागर्दी कब तक चलती रहेगी? We've been handed a manual. ऐसे ही होगा, ऐसे ही करो. This is the right thing to do. Come on, that hasn't worked. If it had worked, the planet would be a better place to live in. We are the ones who are changing it, and maybe tomorrow the planet would be lovely to live. Wouldn't you want to leave a planet that works for your children? So try it. Have fun. These tools are to have fun, not be serious, Usha. What's the fun in being serious? If I had a face like this, and I was cribbing, and I had my face, do I look pretty? And so look at yourself in the mirror when you're being angry, when you're contracted, when you're not, and that mirror will make you laugh. Usha, what are you doing to such a pretty face you have?
Hi, beautiful.
Right. Hi, darling. How are you?
Good. That was so awesome what you explained. So awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
मेरे पास तो live examples हैं. So ask, what is it that I really want to create? What is it that I really like to have my life as? What would I like my life to look like?
तो उसके दिमाग में कैसे just ask question and then
you just ask questions. You just say, okay, name the person, get into. Say, I'm getting into his head or her head. And then talk to you. Usha, oh, I was supposed to do this work for you. Usha, I was supposed to give you money. Oh, Usha, I'm so sorry I haven't been able to. I really want to do it, Usha, but I will do it tomorrow, Usha. Whatever you want from that person, say to you from his head. Play with it. नहीं करेगा काम तो अभी भी नहीं कर रहा ना, तो देखो तो सही करता है कि नहीं करता. So somebody yesterday, a friend of mine was saying that I have projections that my children should come to me. They're grown up, 30 years old, even more maybe. And she says I want them to come and say, talk like children. First reaction in my head was like, when they start doing that, you wouldn't like it. But I didn't tell her. I said, okay, if you want that, you should have what you want, right? My point of view is interesting point of view that she has that point of view. If she wants to have it, why not? I said, get into their head. Get into their head and say, Momo, I love you. Whatever you want them to say to you, let them come to you. It won't show up exactly that way, but the energy you will get. So how much can you play with these tools?
Kaval, I want to share.
Also, yeah, you talk.
Sorry, Neera, you go ahead.
But I know you say something you wanted to say, right?
Yeah. This was the tool given to me by Kaval yesterday, and I did it throughout the day, and it was such a productive thing. My son had gone to the factory since 7 to night 10 o'clock, and he must have called me about 10 times. and whatever I wanted, and he was saying it on the phone. Hey, Mama, this is the thing, this is the thing. Thank you, Kamal.
Yeah, what you want, you keep telling them, they don't listen. Well, just put it in their head and they will come and tell you this is what they want. Isn't that magic?
Yes.
And you
Yes, I told you yesterday I'll do that, and I really
Yeah.
did it.
Oh my God.
Till 10 o'clock in the night.
क्या किया रेनू क्या किया?
मैंने
Don't
तो
you-
पैसे मांगने थे.
This was regarding money.
No, there was no interaction actually in between. So, and the house is being made now, no? Ghar ban raha hai. So, some things I was not, going along with him. It was very productive yesterday.
But
How
what
does-
you said before, like head में डाला कैसे?
जैसे कमल ने बताया था मेरे को,
हाँ,
go into his head.
yeah.
Go into his head. And Mama, I want this. Mama, I did this. He started off. He's 43 years old.
How does it get any better than that? What else is? Only Renu and me can do it. None of you can do it.
मैंने
not
रात को बिंदु को भी बोला.
Sorry?
I said, Kamal, I told Bindu also last night that Kamal gave me a tool and it really worked.
It works. Magic.
Yes.
Yeah. And other people don't even know what they're doing. Sometimes they find, ये मैंने ऐसे कैसे कह दिया? He
But he
tells
was
about.
very busy.
Yeah.
He was busy throughout the day because he had an audit in the factory. But still, he made a time to talk to me 10 times.
Imagine. Imagine.
Thank you, Kamal. Thank you.
Thank you, darling, for using
Wow.
the tools.
Thank you.
Neera, you
Thanks,
want
Renu. That was fabulous. Yeah. Yeah, Kamal, I was saying that in many cases, like, when we would like someone to do the way we would like it. We have a lot of conclusions there, and also we have a lot of points of views regarding them. So what about pod and pocking all conclusions first, and making it and coming to a space of no point of view, not making them wrong, not making them right, not making yourself wrong or right, like if I can take Renu's example. Renu, can I take your example? Like, I loved it.
Yes, please do.
Yeah, probably she was already in that space where she was not judging her son for not doing the way. And when you come to that space where no one is right and no one is wrong, and you are also not right or wrong, and you have no conclusions, it works like magic.
And can
So
I add
true.
something? Can I add something?
Yes.
Neera, when we come to access, we cannot be
Yeah.
in a place where you are saying.
No?
How do we come to that space? How do we come to that place where we are not judging, where we have no judgment, where we have no barriers, we have no walls? You can't come to access like this and you are there.
Yeah, of course, you have to
So, but
commit yourself.
having
and-
said
yeah.
that, access will start working even if you have judgments. Maybe they won't function like this. Maybe they'll take little time.
Yes.
But when we put all these, all this heavy, it was heavy energy when you were sharing it for me. How do I come to that space when I have no judgment, when I have nothing? I will come step by step. This time I did not judge and I just asked a question. It worked. Okay, can I have more? Okay, can I have more? The 10 years where I am today, it's taken me 10 years. And I'm still not anywhere close to where I would like to be.
Yes.
But
So
when
true.
I asked, Renu is very new, just a year old.
Yes.
to the program.
Yes.
She's creating magic, but she did not create magic that first day. And if first
Yes.
day I'm not able to create magic, I'll leave access. Many people do leave access. मेरे लिए तो हुआ नहीं, नीरा के लिए हो रहा है, रेनू के लिए हो रहा है, कमल के लिए हो रहा है, मेरे लिए तो नहीं हो रहा, मैं तो जाती हूँ. But you have to give courage to everybody saying that do it anyway.
Yes.
Even if you have million projections and expectations, because you have. That's why we are here. I had
Absolutely.
million projections and expectations. If I had bought into कि जब मैं वहां पहुंचूंगी फिर मेरा काम ठीक से पहुंचेगा. That's what this reality says. Meditation कर लो, enlightenment हो जाओ, enlighten हो जाओ, तब दुनिया बदलनी शुरू होगी. I want now.
Yes.
I want it now. Give me the tool to change it now. So that's why I love these access tools. They're so simple. They start working. Maybe not like this, maybe a little slow, but sometimes like this also. When I'm not projecting, I don't even know I didn't know what projection, expectation, these things were when I joined Access.
Yes.
Full of show me. I've done many modalities, didn't work. Now Access, show me. I had a lot of projections and expectation of Access.
Yes.
Of me. I was in reaction mode. But when I got my first bars run and I slept the whole night, oh my God, I hadn't slept for years, I realized. And I then started saying, oh, can I have more of this? And then something little happened. I said, can I have more of this? Then something little happened. Can I have more? Yes, what you said, when I reach there, then I'm like magic. Every molecule is functioning to give, because it's now in rhythm with, now we are in harmony with. Now it starts working like this. But if I, for the first time, tell somebody that, listen, you have to be that energy for your things to work, people will run away. I would have run away. If somebody told me, यहाँ पहुंच जाओ, मैं कहना मैंने मेडिटेशन करी, ये योगा करा, EFT, NLP, ओशो, लुइस, ब्रह्म कुमार, I know what all I did. I didn't reach that place. I would have said, ये भी वही expect कर रहे हैं. इन्होंने कहा छोटे छोटे करना शुरू करो, बार्स कराओ अपने पहले रोज. That started opening. Then they said, say I'll have more of this whenever you are having that. So little tools started working for me.
Yes. So beautifully explained, Kamal.
So nicely
beautiful.
explained.
Yeah, it is a process and it's a lifelong work. I mean, whatever we create greater till our last breath, we will.
Because there is so much that we don't know.
Yes. Kamal, I want to share something with you here.
Yes,
Thanks
please.
so much for this.
Thank you for asking that, and thank you for this. Thank you for this reaction. It was a reaction.
Wow, no, it's fabulous. It's fabulous. Kamal, I started noticing in myself that I use a lot of access tools and whatever. I started judging, I became aware of my thoughts when I'm judging myself, and then I accepted, Asha, theek hai, main judge kar, I don't even make myself wrong. Now how can I change it? And meri judgment apne upar bahut kam ho gayi hai. Jab main thoughts ko dekhti hu, it's about everything else that's so beautiful, and most of the time in gratitude, admiring. I mean, work in progress hai, but access tools are so fabulous. They work beautifully. They're like magic, I've fallen in love with myself. I look at myself in the mirror and say, Are, Neera, you're looking jackass. You're feeling, the way you talk, all that. I mean, thank you for this. I just wanted to share this. Just for you to fall in love. When you stop judging yourself, you start projecting on it. Everything externally हमारे stops. Like Punjabi में है ना, जैसे ब्रह्मांड अंदर वो there's a Punjabi कहावत ना, जो अंदर है वो बाहर reflect करता है. This is what happens when you do it for yourself.
This is what access is. This is what
beat yourself. Yeah, exactly.
Access is all about. It's all about you.
Yes.
And then it will overflow.
Absolutely.
Just be you first. Love you first. Be the infinite being that you truly are. Recognize your qualities, capacities, abilities. And then you will have, like some who said, when first person was Sagri, and she said, you're looking good. Many said after that. But I told her, you have the eyes to look. हमारे को यही बोलते थे शुरू में, सब लोग यही बोलते थे कि तुम्हारे आंखों का कसूर है. वो आज समझ में आया कि अगर if you are beautiful within and out, you see things only, your You don't have any projection. You see things as they are and you see them as beautiful as you are. So if you are you, being you, you can change the world. Not only your world, but the world. So be the change. Become the change. Become you. Yeah. So you mirror it out. Everything is mirroring you out. If there is some irk, there's some contraction. What is it? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? Awesome. Done? No questions? Hello?
Yes,
Why is
but being
everybody so
present.
quiet?
Hello.
Yes, Harshita.
Yes, I want to say being present regularly in morning classes makes a difference. Like
Yes,
what
it
you
does.
have said कि एक दिन में कुछ नहीं होता, we have to take baths. But जब हम morning में class में रह लेते हैं, तो उसके बाद पूरा दिन सब कुछ याद रहता है. We don't forget anything. Who does this belongs to? How does it get any better? And everything. Morning classes are beautiful and wonderful full gift to us. And I want to ask how we can go into the head. Please, maybe it's silly, but I want to ask.
How do you go into the head, or you want how you come out of head? Head so you are in all the time.
No. We were discussing na कि कुछ भी अगर we want to do तो just.
Acha, okay, all
Going
right, all right.
people.
You just say.
Yes.
Access is not about ye step, phir ye step, phir ye step, phir ye. Nahin. It is okay. I'm getting into Kamal's head.
Okay.
Yeah. How do I get into your head? I don't plan, and I know what's going on in your head. So many times I ask somebody, okay, what question do you have? She said, "Main to wahi पूछने ही वाली थी." I had a question. So you get the energy of it. How, if there is nothing going on here, there's no traffic jam here, you will be aware of what's going on. I'm talking to you and aware of a bird flying or a peacock walking or the sun in. You are not just doing this. You are an infinite being. You are aware not only of the periphery, you're also aware of what's going on in the universe. Some thought will come and you'll know I have to call her. So that's how you get into, just by saying, oh, I get into. जब आप किसी, has it ever happened to you कि आपने किसी के बारे में सोचा और उसका फोन आ गया?
Yes, many times.
So आपने उसी वक्त सोचा और उसके हेड में गए ना? That's how you do it.
Okay.
Just call you just have the name and say, oh, I'm getting into his head. You can even say it, I'm getting into her or his head. And now talk to you from their head.
Okay, thank you.
You might have a different way of doing it. My way might be different. Find another way and see, let me know also. Oh my God, I did it like this also. It worked, Kamal.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you are a magician. Are you choosing to be, or you're buying into what Kamal is saying? Kamal only knows little.
Choosing to
Okay?
be. Don't lie, darling Kamal.
I mean, there is so much else to know, darling.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
आज मेरा कुछ मन कर रहा है.
बोलो.
झप्पी पाके पप्पी देने का.
आ जाओ फिर, मैं तो रोज बोलती हूँ आ जाओ यार.
Yes.
आप लोग ही नहीं आते.
Seriously. Energetically I'm there. Already मैंने दे दिया है दोनों साइड.
बिल्कुल मुझे मिल भी गया.
Thank you for receiving.
Yeah.
So you're so cute. Look at your dimples.
I know,
So
she's so sweet.
So sweet.
Everybody-
Your voice is so
Thank
soft,
you.
so soft, you know.
Yeah, Pompey. You
My
feel
God.
like catching her cheeks.
You know, I'm getting more and more beautiful after coming into
Yes.
Yes. Thank
ये
you.
आपकी आंखें आपको देखने लगी हैं अब. ब्यूटीफुल तो आपने, God doesn't create कचरा.
Right.
And if we do projections, we have to have goddamn answers. And we have to be right. कितना काम है यार. एंड ये एडमिट करना अपने आप को कि मैं हमेशा अपने आप को राइट बनाना चाहती हूँ, ये कितना भारी है. मेरे लिए तो बहुत भारी था. आई केम व्हेन आई वाज 63 years old. I knew it all. मैं लोगों को बोलती थी बाल मैंने धूप में सफेद नहीं किए. ये एडमिट करना ही कि I can be wrong, I can be right, I don't have to be right or I don't have to be wrong was difficult. I was always looking to be right rather than being aware.
Yes.
अवेयरनेस का तो वर्ड ही यहाँ आके समझ आया, प्रेजेंट का तो यहाँ आके वर्ड समझ में आया. प्रेजेंट तो पहले भी सुनते थे, बी प्रेजेंट, इट इज अ गिफ्ट, प्रेजेंट वो तो सुनते थे, पर वो कभी रजिस्टर नहीं इतनी डुंगाई में हुआ जो यहाँ आके हुआ.
Kamal, I have a question. Thank you for this. So, Kamal, you during the earlier part of the conversation, you had said कि जब हम project and expect करते हैं, it's actually to prove that we are right? To prove that we are right. Like you just so beautifully said. मेरे लिए भी शुरू में बहुत मुश्किल होता था that I'm doing all this, to prove myself right. And if you really perceive it, it is that energy. But can you throw more light on it? That when we project and expect, that is because to prove ourselves right. उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा क्लैरिटी
कल हमारे ग्रुप में एक बंदा one person was saying कि मेरे बच्चे सुनते ही नहीं, मुझे कंसल्ट ही नहीं करते मेजर थिंग के लिए. They cut me off.
Okay.
So what goes on in our head? We want to be right. We want to tell them not wrong, not right. It's who we are. We have we value ourselves. We have a lot of points of views. We would like us about me, about not from anybody else, but about me. What would I like? I asked her, what would you like? If it's not happening the way you would like it, then voice it. You can't sit there and project and expect that they will know what they want. All your life you said, मैं तो कोई बात नहीं adjust कर लूंगी, तुम ही बच्चे कर लो, तुम्हारे लिए ही सब कुछ है. Now you tell them after doing access, you become, you want now to choose what works for you. People are uncomfortable.
So true.
Right? So I said voice out, that they'll never listen. That's when I told Renu, can I share it?
Yes, Kamal.
So that's when I told her, Renu, get into his head and talk to your children, getting into their head and telling them that this is what I would like. And mom, what would you
it worked.
Mom, what would you like? We'll do the same thing. Mom, let us know what you like. All those things. And then it worked, she says. Otherwise, when we do projection expectant, does it work? We just keep going deeper and deeper into the ditch and nobody's listening. Because our point of view our point of view creates our reality. If our point of view is nobody's listening to us, tathastu, nobody will listen to you. People should listen to me. People should listen to me like my closest friend. People should listen to me because I know more. People should listen to me because I'm elder. No, it doesn't work like that. They should want what I want. Oh, they are also thinking the same thing. She should want what we want. And if any of this wasn't there, then there is something wrong with the relationship. वो मेरे से कुछ मांगती नहीं है, वो मेरे से कुछ मांगता ही नहीं है, अपने आप ही सब कुछ कर। फिर हम वो इस रियलिटी में बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं, ये तो रिलेशनशिप ही गलत है. Not recognizing that we have a space and we still love. So I must have gone astray. What was your question, Neera?
No, it's great. Whatever you share, they're like pearls, Kamal, true pearls. So my question was that when we project and expect, like you said, take any example. Where are we proving ourselves right? Are we proving ourselves right when we project and expect?
Are we?
How?
Are you?
No, you had mentioned that, so I can't perceive that energy.
No. What did you? What the energy? You don't have to get it into your head. You have
Yeah, I'm not getting it into my head. Yeah.
So what energy do you get?
Yeah, I want things my way. That's the energy I get.
And if it doesn't happen your way, what do you do?
Yeah, then I judge myself. I judge them. Okay. Yeah, I got that energy. Yeah, exactly. So I judge myself. I judge them. I cut them off. I separate from them. I reject them. I reject myself. Got it. Yes.
Yeah, most people would defend against that. And
yes,
would be these barriers and walls that come up.
Yes, that's right.
No, I don't. Absolutely. Yes, they do. They don't understand. What am I supposed to do? Which way can I get my work done? I am right. I know more. Not in these very words, but the energy you get.
Yes. Thank you, Kamal. And also, Kamal, it's so freeing when you don't have to prove yourself right. It's so free.
Just an interesting point of view.
Exactly. It's so free.
How much more space does that give to you?
Yeah, a lot of space. Absolutely. I can feel myself expanding. All the time being the matriarch, in your head it's running. Oh, I have to prove myself right. I mean, that's the energy that's running. Of course, you're not aware of it, but that's the energy. And now, oh my God, I could be the worst human in the world. I'm willing to be that as far as I'm being me, Thank you.
Kamal, can I just share something?
Yes, please, go ahead.
You see, maybe 2 years, 3 years ago, my daughter was gifted, salwar set and the same color she had. So I wanted to change it, but then I had all these points of view. I don't have the bill. That guy will never change it for me. All these self-sabotaging, self-fulfilling, talk I had in my head. Then I said, I have these tools. So I destroyed and uncreated every point of view I had about, the shopkeeper not changing it. And then I just, like you said, I got into his head. I didn't think of it in those terms, but I got into his head and I said, when I go there, he's going to say, yes, okay, and he will change it. And that's exactly how it happened. I didn't have a bill. I just had the cover, So I just went and I said, look, this is the thing. And my daughter has this exact same color. So this is from your shop. So can you please change it? So then he looked at me and he said, yes. And it got done. And the other thing that easy. And also, my husband drove me there, but I did not take him into the shop because he has lots of points of views about it.
Yeah. Sensible thing to do.
So I told him, you park, I'll go and get this done, and I'll be out. And I was literally out in 5 minutes. I just picked up some other stuff. So this has happened a couple of times. So whenever we have this thought that that other person will not do something for you, we have to destroy and uncreate the projections, expectations, because the world is there to serve you. Why not? Thank you.
And some friend yesterday was making herself wrong because they went to eat at a restaurant and the food was cold and the son was adamant that he wanted hot and he sent it back and she was feeling so bad that he does this and so just telling her another perspective that you went out, you paid for it, you wanted to have good food. If it wasn't good, why would you have it? What, you have all the right to take care of yourself. You are taking care of the other person. You are being a people pleaser. You are looking at other people, what will they say? And you will have the shittiest cold back. For what reason? I never even thought of that. There's always another way. Hello? Dr. Indira, darling, or you have a question? Please mute yourself or ask a question. Hey guys, I'm here. Am I here or not?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes, you
What
are
happens? Why does everybody get so quiet suddenly?
We have a question for you. Know why we get quiet, Kamal? Is because your gems of wisdom are shifting. Our cells within us, all the 8 trillion cells, so हमको थोड़ा सा हम quiet हो जाते हैं.
All right, all right. Like Gary says, did I fry you?
No, we don't get fried. Something else happens. It's this shift, It's this, I don't know, it's a very subtle thing. It happens, it quietens us somehow. So don't think we're not there. The more quiet the whole audience is, the more we are present with you, Kamal.
Yeah, in convent, the nuns used to say the angels are walking, passing.
Yes.
Well said, Neera.
Exactly. Abhi bhi my heart is thumping. I'm getting goosebumps. Something is shifting within my body, and I don't want to. Just an awareness. It's just the energy, that's shifting. And whatever that is, can I have more of it?
Yes, please. Can I have more of it too?
Yes.
Imagine every day we come for the book reading with Kaval and so much energy is shifted. And we are quiet and she keeps on saying, ask questions.
Yeah.
Kamal,
That is my
you
fault.
pick the questions from our mind, Kamal.
Yeah, that's a fault.
Yeah, that's it. So which book are you reading, Kamal? Which book are you reading?
We are actually discussing on being you, changing the world. We are not reading it. They read it and they ask questions. But it's finishing now and we are starting another book.
So when is that?
We haven't decided the books. We'll put it in the other fun aging and blessing.
Yeah.
And let's see what people have to say.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. I'd love to join this time.
Thank you, Bindu, for putting up. She's the one who does that. She will. Can I request to put them in the other groups too, Bindu?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The more the merrier.
Yeah. Bindu dal dena, because this time
we really love when Meera is there because she is the one who asks a lot of questions.
I know all other friends of mine don't ask questions. No, they do, but not so much.
Meera, but in the beginning you were saying we keep on judging our weight. I keep on judging. Even I'm in Access since last 2 years, 2.5 years. I still keep on judging and a godzillion times. And then I pod and pocket. Since I'm aware, I pod and pocket.
Wow. Yeah, exactly. Just like Kaval said, it's a step-by-step process. you keep doing that energy. So imagine, so I always imagine like that okay, what are we telling the universe? Ye kya tumne moti si cheez bana di, you know? I mean, are we not judging? Like, I mean, we're telling the universe you got it all wrong, yaar. Bakiyon ki mostly body slim bana di, par meri to tumne mota sa ye bana diya, okay? We're judging the universe, we're judging ourselves. The minute you get that energy and then you say, oh my God, I do that as I'm so beautiful, my body. Why am I looking at the external part of my body? Look at my organs. I'm 68, like Kaval, whatever age we are, biological age, but of course inside we're 16. But look at the way our organs are functioning. My heart, my lungs, my walk, my grace. What about all that? I mean, is the physical the only part of it that I have to look and even judge on it? The universe and my body knows how it has to look.
Have you heard Glennis?
On this? No, I
No,
don't know
not
which
on
one.
this, but otherwise. Have you heard Glennis?
Yeah, I love her.
Yeah.
I love her. I'm doing one
And
program
she
of her
doesn't,
also.
she doesn't judge her body.
Yes.
She'll be in the pool and she'll, do some clearings, energy pull. Inside the pool also, if she's there, she'll speak without judging herself. Neera, I've judged so many people और सबको multimillionaire बना दिया.
Now time for you to become that. Have that energy of multiple.
This is crazy, crazy fucking you people. Yes. So we are time. And any question before we wrap up?
It's 9 o'clock recording. Kaval.
I'm going to put off the recording.